Attention, do not play this video over the air. No ponga este video en la radio. I mean, what's the worst that could happen now?
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. Due to the damaging earthquake at 7:01 a.m. and aftershocks, significant damage has occurred to the Overholser Dam. A failure of a majority or all of the Overholser Dam is extremely likely and may occur within 1 hour. The failure of the Overholser Dam may cause water levels on the North Canadian River and Oklahoma River to increase by up to 9 feet. No significant flooding is expected to occur due to the failure of the Overholser Dam.
Well, that's not too bad, I guess. Still not great. Surely it can't get worse, though.
You're gonna jinx it.
Nonsense.